Hello all. In this video, we will study call by value with reference model of variables, that is also called as call by sharing, with the help of an example. Okay, so let's see an example. So consider the following pseudocode program fragment. There is some subroutine shown over here which is swap. It takes two arguments a and b, and this is a regular swap code which swaps the values of two variables a and b. Okay, so this is a very simple code fragment you have. Now the question is, assuming that programming language adopts the reference model of variables. I'll explain what do you mean by reference model of variables. And thus the parameters are passed by sharing. What is the result after calling swap x comma y on variables x and y? So let's imagine, suppose we have variable x and we have variable y, right, with some values, right, with some values. Let's say, now since we have reference model of variables, with reference model of variables, variable does not contain the value, rather variables refer to the value, right? Variables refer to the value. So x does not contain 10, x will refer to 10. Y will not contain 20, y will refer to 20. Okay, now we have called this procedure swap, right? So as you can see that a becomes reference for x and b becomes reference for y. So this means that a will refer to where x is referring to and b will refer to where y is referring to. Okay, so that is what it means, right? X is referring to 10, so hence a will also refer to 10, because we have reference model for variables, right? Y is referring to 20, hence b will also refer to 20. Okay, and then we execute this subroutine, right, wherein we say t assigns a, right? T assigns a means what? T should refer to where a is referring to. Okay, so here is my t, and then this t will refer to where a is referring to. Okay, then a assigns b. What does it mean? This means that a, instead of referring to 10, a will now refer to where b is referring to, that is 20. Okay, because b is referring to 20, so a, instead of referring to 10, it will refer to 20. And then the last statement is b assigns t. It means that b, instead of referring to 20, it will refer to where t is referring to. So t is referring to 10, so b will also refer to 10. We are done with the function execution. We come back and suppose now we want to know what are the values of x and y. So suppose we wish to print x and y, then you will see that x is still referring to 10 and y is still referring to 20. So the output will be 10, 20. So no change will take place in the actual parameters x and y, right? I hope you have understood this, right? If you have any questions, you can write it in your comment. Thank you.